nga mga teacher. Video na, video. Apa kayo? Dito ra tao.
Completing class during the processional. I am pretty sure that it's been already a month-long waiting and preparation. Needless to say, what to wear and what to do. Those here at Calian National High School.
Unfolds as we come to an end of the school year 2024-2025.
Senior high school coordinator, Ma'am Agnes Bundilan, our master teacher, Sir.
Bansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Sarah A. Lumabo. Project
Curriculum as prescribed by the Department of Education. I hereby confirm the 165 completers of Calian National High School this school year 2024-2025 at exactly 9:16 a.m. Congratulations.
Di pa na mabaw-baw pa na sa din.
Ay, wala dyan na sa mong panahon.
Lagi mo.
Ano man na, awati mga salay ka.
Mga ribbon naman po nga idol sa hotel.
You know me. You may not listen to me.
Completer Armodia John Ray T.
Ang katong kang Sir Rakil. Pwede ako kayo.
Completer Cabrera.
Batonado, Ronnie,
Another special awardee we have Miss Irene P. Taman as a top.
Round of applause to welcome Miss Mary Aubrey Fresco Mazula.
superintendent, even when we are apart.
Arnis na po sa una.
So I want to share something personal with you. So before, dili gyud ko at going nga tao.
Ay, maklaro.
I used to be shy and then hesitant to engage with others. I was afraid to talk to people, afraid to fail, and afraid to try new things.
And any pertinent documents is available in the office of Sir Vivani Color. Mga Pilikanan,